Travel just got a major upgrade. Today, we're diving into the 20 best-selling travel gadgets on Amazon right now, from futuristic must-haves to clever gadgets you didn't know you needed. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a weekend explorer, these innovative tools will make every trip smoother, smarter, and way more fun. Stick around because some of these gadgets are absolute game changers. Number 1. Bestily Travel Hangers, 15 pieces. The Bestily Travel Hangers 15-pack are perfect for keeping clothes organized while on the go. Lightweight, foldable, and durable, these hangers fit easily into suitcases, backpacks, or carry-ons without taking up much space. Ideal for hanging shirts, dresses, or jackets in hotel rooms, hostels, or Airbnb stays, they prevent wrinkles and keep your wardrobe neat. The compact design makes them especially useful for frequent travelers, business trips, or long vacations. With this set, you can maintain a polished, organized look anywhere. Click the product link below to grab your Bestily Travel Hangers 15-pack. Number 2. Fossil's Snap Fold Plastic Bowls, 2 pieces. The Fossil's Snap Fold Plastic Bowls 2-pack are versatile, lightweight, and perfect for travelers, campers, or families on the go. Each bowl collapses flat for easy packing in backpacks or luggage, yet expands to hold meals, snacks, or liquids securely. Made from durable BPA-free materials, they are safe, easy to clean, and reusable. Ideal for road trips, picnics, or camping, these bowls provide a practical solution for eating anywhere without adding bulk. Convenient, portable, and eco-friendly, they make mealtime simpler while traveling. Click the product link below to grab your Fossil's Snap Fold Plastic Bowls 2-pack. Number 3. Bodum-travel-press-coffee-tea. The bodum-travel-press-coffee-tea is a must-have for travelers who love fresh beverages on the go. Compact, lightweight, and portable, it brews coffee or tea quickly without bulky equipment. Its durable design keeps drinks warm and prevents leaks, making it perfect for flights, hotel rooms, or outdoor adventures. Ideal for coffee enthusiasts, business travelers, or campers, it delivers a premium brewing experience anywhere. Easy to clean and travel-ready, this press combines convenience with quality. Don't compromise on your morning routine. Click the product link below to grab your bodum-travel-press-coffee-tea. Number 4 is sea-to-summit-lite-line-clothesline. The sea-to-summit-lite-line-clothesline is a practical travel essential for drying clothes anywhere. Lightweight, compact, and durable, it easily stretches between trees, hooks, or bathroom fixtures. Ideal for camping, backpacking, or hotel stays, it allows travelers to air-dry towels, swimsuits, or garments without taking up space in luggage. Strong yet lightweight, it supports multiple items and can be easily packed into backpacks or carry-ons. Perfect for eco-conscious travelers or those on extended trips, it ensures convenience and efficiency. Click the product link below to grab your sea-to-summit-lite-line-clothesline. Number 5. Quilted-bear-mini-steam-iron. The Quilted-bear-mini-steam-iron is perfect for keeping clothes wrinkle-free while traveling. Compact, lightweight, and portable, it fits easily into luggage or carry-ons. With adjustable steam settings, it works on shirts, pants, dresses, and delicate fabrics, ensuring a polished look on the go. Ideal for business trips, vacations, or family travel, it prevents the hassle of wrinkled clothes upon arrival. Durable and easy to use, this mini-iron combines practicality and convenience in one sleek device. Click the product link below to grab your Quilted-Bear-Mini-Steam-Iron. Number 6. Nanobag-ultralight-foldable-tote. The Nanobag-ultralight-foldable-tote is a versatile and compact travel companion. Lightweight, foldable, and durable, it expands to hold groceries, souvenirs, or travel essentials, then folds flat to save space in backpacks or luggage. Perfect for flights, road trips, or day excursions, it combines practicality with convenience. The sturdy construction ensures it can carry significant weight, while the sleek design makes it stylish for everyday use. Ideal for eco-conscious travelers and frequent shoppers alike, it reduces the need for disposable bags. Click the product link below to grab your Nanobag-ultralight-foldable-tote. Number 7. Acer-universal-travel-plug-adapter. The Acer-universal-travel-plug-adapter is essential for international travelers. Compact, lightweight, and compatible with outlets in over 150 countries, it allows you to safely charge laptops, phones, and cameras. Its durable design withstands frequent travel, while multiple USB ports add convenience for charging several devices simultaneously. Ideal for business trips, vacations, or remote work abroad, it ensures your electronics stay powered wherever you go. And easy to pack in carry-ons or backpacks, this adapter is a must-have for anyone traveling internationally. Click the product link below to grab your Acer Universal Travel Plug Adapter. Number 8. 4 Monster Camping Towels. The 4 Monster Camping Towels are ultra-absorbent, quick-drying, and perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers alike. Lightweight, compact, and portable, these towels fit easily in backpacks, luggage, or carry-ons. Durable and soft, they dry quickly after swimming, showering, or washing, making them ideal for camping, hiking, beach trips, or gym use. The set includes multiple sizes to suit different needs, providing versatility for any adventure. Perfect for travelers who value convenience and efficiency, these towels ensure comfort without taking up much space. You click the product link below to grab your 4 Monster Camping Towels. Number 9. Osprey-Ultralight-Collapsible-Stuff-Pack. The Osprey-Ultralight-Collapsible-Stuff-Pack is a lightweight, compact backpack ideal for day trips or travel. Foldable and durable, it easily fits into luggage or backpacks when not in use, yet expands to hold essentials like snacks, water, or souvenirs. Its breathable design and comfortable straps make it perfect for hiking, sightseeing, or urban exploration. Strong enough for daily use yet compact for travel, this pack is perfect for travelers seeking convenience without bulk. Click the product link below to grab your Osprey Ultralight Collapsible Stuff Pack. Number 10. Mzoo-Luxury-Sleep-Eye-Mask. The mzoo-Luxury-Sleep-Eye-Mask provides complete darkness and comfort for restful sleep during travel. Made from soft, breathable, and lightweight materials, it contours perfectly around the eyes without causing pressure or discomfort. Ideal for flights, trains, buses, or hotel stays, it blocks light and helps reduce fatigue, ensuring travelers wake up refreshed. Adjustable straps make it suitable for all head sizes, while its premium construction ensures durability and luxury. Perfect for frequent travelers seeking quality rest, click the product link below to grab your mzoo-Luxury-Sleep-Eye Mask. Number 11. Loop Quiet 2 Earplugs. The Loop Quiet 2 earplugs are a must-have for travelers seeking peace and quiet. Ergonomically designed, they reduce ambient noise while maintaining clarity of speech, making them perfect for flights, trains, or noisy hotel rooms. Lightweight, compact, and reusable, they fit easily in pockets, backpacks, or carry-ons. Ideal for frequent flyers, students, or business travelers, they improve sleep quality and reduce stress during travel. Comfortable for long hours, these earplugs provide effective noise reduction without discomfort. Click the product link below to grab your Loop Quiet 2 earplugs and travel in serenity. Number 12. trtl-Scientific-Travel-Neck-Pillow. The trtl-Scientific-Travel-Neck-Pillow offers innovative neck support for long journeys. Designed with an internal brace, it keeps your head upright while sleeping, reducing stiffness and discomfort. Lightweight, compact, and easily clipped to luggage, it's ideal for flights, trains, or buses. Its soft, breathable material ensures comfort during extended use, and the ergonomic design fits all neck sizes. Perfect for frequent travelers, business trips, or family vacations. It guarantees restful travel and eliminates neck pain. Travel smarter and arrive refreshed. Click the product link below to grab your trtl-Scientific-Travel-Neck-Pillow. Number 13. 12-South-Airfly-se-Bluetooth Adapter. The 12-South-Airfly-se Bluetooth Adapter transforms any wired headphone into a wireless experience. Compact, portable, and rechargeable, it connects easily to airplanes' in-flight entertainment systems, home TVs, or gym equipment. Ideal for travelers, students, or remote workers, it eliminates tangled cords and improves convenience while on the go. Lightweight and durable, it fits into carry-ons or pockets, providing seamless audio anywhere. Whether for long flights, hotel rooms, or commuting, it ensures a premium listening experience. Click the product link below to get your 12-South-Airfly-se Bluetooth Adapter. Number 14. Travelrest-Ultimate-Travel-Pillow. The Travelrest-Ultimate-Travel-Pillow is designed for maximum comfort on long journeys. U-shaped and fully inflatable, it supports the head, neck, and shoulders to reduce fatigue and improve sleep quality. Lightweight, portable, and compact, it easily fits in luggage, backpacks, or carry-ons. Ideal for flights, trains, or road trips, it accommodates various sleeping positions while providing ergonomic support. Perfect for frequent travelers or anyone seeking better rest on the go, this pillow combines convenience and comfort in one essential accessory. Click the product link below to grab your Travelrest Ultimate Travel Pillow. Number 15. VMSTR Travel Vacuum Storage Bags. The VMSTR Travel Vacuum Storage Bags maximize packing efficiency for any trip. Made from durable, leak-proof materials, they compress clothes, bedding, or gear to save up to 70% of luggage space. Lightweight and portable, the bags are easy to seal with a vacuum pump or hand pump, keeping items safe from moisture, dust, or odors. Ideal for long vacations, camping, or family trips, these bags simplify packing and organization. perfect for travelers who want to carry more without extra bulk. Number 16. Jeff Dye Inflatable Footrest Pillow. The Jeff Dye Inflatable Footrest Pillow provides comfort and support during flights, bus rides, or long road trips. Lightweight, portable, and easy to inflate, it improves circulation and reduces leg fatigue while traveling. Durable and stable, it fits easily under airplane seats or in carry-ons. Perfect for frequent travelers, children, or anyone seeking extra comfort on the go, it offers a simple solution for relaxing while seated. Number 17. Model Infinity Tool 2.0 Straps 4-pack. The Model Infinity Tool 2.0 Straps 4-pack is a versatile solution for securing luggage, gear, or camping equipment. Durable, adjustable, and reusable, these straps keep items tightly bound while traveling, hiking, or moving. Lightweight and compact, they easily fit in backpacks or carry-ons. Ideal for frequent travelers, campers, or adventurers, they prevent items from shifting or falling during transit. Multifunctional and reliable, these straps are perfect for luggage organization or outdoor adventures. Click the product link below to grab your Model Infinity Tool 2.0 Straps 4-pack. Number 18. Frenda Canvas Makeup Bags 40-pack. The Frenda Canvas Makeup Bags 40-pack is perfect for travelers, beauty professionals, or event organizers. Durable, lightweight, and reusable, each bag stores cosmetics, toiletries, or small personal items securely. Its compact design fits neatly in luggage, backpacks, or carry-ons, making packing effortless. Ideal for vacations, business trips, or weddings, these bags simplify organization while keeping items protected from spills or damage. Number 19. Obsidy Hidden Camera Detectors. The Obsidy Hidden Camera Detector is a must-have for travelers seeking privacy and security. Compact, lightweight, and portable, it detects hidden cameras or recording devices in hotel rooms, Airbnbs, or public spaces. Easy to use, it ensures peace of mind during travel, business trips, or personal stays. Durable and travel-ready, it fits in carry-ons, backpacks, or purses. Number 20. Zenvo Pro Lens Kit. The Zenvo Pro Lens Kit enhances smartphone photography while traveling. Compact, portable, and easy to attach, it includes wide-angle and macro lenses for professional quality photos and videos. Durable construction ensures longevity, and the kit fits easily in backpacks, carry-ons, or camera bags. Ideal for travelers, content creators, or photography enthusiasts, it captures landscapes, cityscapes, and detailed shots with exceptional clarity. That's a wrap on the 20 best-selling travel gadgets on Amazon right now. Which gadget are you adding to your travel kit? Comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more travel smart discoveries.